Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to properly insert citations and references into your Word document using Mendeley. For this tutorial, I'll be using an M.Sc project work as an example to guide you through the process. First, click on the References tab in Microsoft Word, then open Mendeley Cite. Wait for it to load completely, and make sure your internet connection is turned on so that you don't encounter any errors. Next, open your Mendeley Reference Manager. Now go to the website where you can find the article or journal you want to reference. Search for the author's reference that you want to add to Mendeley. Once you find it, copy the DOI of the article. Then go back to your Mendeley Reference Manager. Click on Add Reference and scroll down to select Add Reference manually. Now you'll see a page where you can paste the DOI you copied into the identifier section and load it. As you can see, the author's reference details are automatically generated. Then click Add Entry to save it. You can also add references manually if you don't have a DOI. I'm just showing you this option in case the DOI is unavailable. To do it manually, enter the article title, author's name, journal name, year of publication, page numbers, volume, and issue number. Once you finish filling in the details, click Add Entry to save the reference. Now let's return to our Word document. Each number here represents a specific author's reference. We'll start inserting the citations one after another in the correct order. Make sure you follow the sequence carefully, because if you make a mistake, you may need to go back and correct the arrangement. We'll continue doing this until all citations have been inserted. Now we're done adding our citations. The next step is to generate our reference list. Open Mendeley Cite, and as you can see, all our references have already been cited. Click on the three dots at the top, select Insert Bibliography, then click Continue. And boom, here is our complete reference list. So this is how you can properly cite your work and generate references without making mistakes. As you can see, we've completed everything successfully. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.